They are using a lower time frame. That is why. They are going to eat fufu, leaving me to eat my Greek yogurt alone. Nah. I'll not leave you alone, okay? I still have Greek yogurt in the fridge. I'll just eat some small fufu. YouTube is gone down. Yeah, guys. Starlink is disgracing me of late. Starlink is disgracing me. She knows what I think about. All I think about. One love, two mouth. One love, one heart. She knows what I think about. All I think about. One love, two mouth. I think I'm back live on YouTube. The connection is still poor on YouTube. So guys, if you're on YouTube, just join TikTok, okay? Join us on TikTok. Join on TikTok. Cause it's too cold. Fufu, which morning will be amazing? Yeah, very soon, guys. I might leave the live to go and eat some fufu. I might have to leave the live to go and eat some fufu, guys. How many of you are in a trade at the moment? How many of you are in a trade? You've taken a trade at this moment. How many of you have taken a trade? How many of you are in a trade now? On BTC, on gold, how many of you are in a trade? How many of you are in a trade as at now? You are selling. Okay. Joshua, are you selling or buying? Oli Labs, are you selling or buying too? On gold. You're in silver and BTC. Hey, this is my person. You took silver and BTC together. Interesting. BTC W's. Fufu is eating. It's not eating, it's swallowed. But we still put it in our mouth, so he's eating. So should I say I'm going to swallow fufu instead of I'm going to eat fufu? Yeah, in the BTC trade. Awesome. Oh, you're in on BTC. Yeah, on TikTok now. Sorry about YouTube, okay? Starlink is just disgracing me today. BTC, awesome. Let's see how BTC goes. Silver is also pushing up now. My analysis and analysis is the same, so I'm waiting for the confirmation that you're also in. No worries. When I'm in, so far as I'm on the live, we will be in together, okay? We are a team here, don't worry. For you here. Can you enter BTC? It's already in profit. Okay, you can't risk entering at the moment. If you want to take the risk, that is fine. Let me not discourage you if you want to, but then it's already in profit, okay? It's already in profit. What are my views on BTC? I've shared it to the community. Check my Telegram channel. Tap on the link in my bio. It's in the community. You'd see it there, okay? Yeah, I'm also glad I didn't give up, mommy. I'm glad I didn't give up. I'm so glad I also didn't give up. I didn't give up on my journey. What is my view on gold? That is what you see on your screen. That is my view. That is what I'm expecting on gold. And to all those following, thanks for following. Those double tapping, thank you guys so much. I know your thumbs are tired from double tapping, but I appreciate it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. And finally, we hit 20K followers, guys. I appreciate everyone who followed, who subscribed on YouTube, anyone that is just supporting the live in their own way. I appreciate it, guys. What are the worst habits a trader can have? Itchy fingers. Itchy fingers. Itchy fingers. Itchy fingers is the worst of the worst. Even indiscipline is better. Itchy fingers. Itchy fingers means you don't even have, like, once you see the candle you want to press by yourself. Itchy fingers is the worst you can have as a trader. The worst of the worst. The worst. And that comes from boredom. When you are bored, your fingers become very itchy. Honey Badger, thanks for double tapping. Thanks for double tapping. Guys, if you have itchy fingers, you need some serious deliverance. You need serious deliverance, guys, if you have itchy fingers. Silver is hitting almost 400 points. Silver is pushing up, hitting almost 400 points. Yeah, if you are bored, don't trade, guys. If you are bored, don't try it. Don't trade. If you are bored, play a game or watch Netflix. But if you want to trade, the account will go. Trust me. If you are bored, just don't trade. Silver is really pushing, guys. Almost 400 points. Silver is pushing, it's pushing. And guys, if you are new here, go join the Telegram channel. Find the link in my bio and join the Telegram channel. Do indicators really work in trading? It works for some people, so I'm not going to downplay it. You see, anything that works well for you, stick to it. There's no right or wrong answer in this trading until the market proves you right or wrong, okay? Don't let anyone tell you this doesn't work and this doesn't work. You will never hear me say that to people. That prop firms don't work. Prop firms, if you want my personal opinion, that is what I'll tell you. But then I'm never going to discourage you, okay? It's a market where no one knows where it's heading to. Just have to always believe. Just believe in what you are doing. That is what matters. That is what matters. Silver is running 400 points now. Gold is just delaying. And trust me, I know people sold on this gold candle. This heavy candle that dropped. I know there were people who were running after it. Like they are thirsty. They are thirsty. People are running after it like they are thirsty. They are thirsty for a candle. Only to get more angry because it pushed up again. That is good. That is good, Morgan. That is very good. It took you out. That is good. Silver is going crazy. Who is annoying Silver? It's going crazy, guys. From the buy zone, pushing up so well. We have another person here saying something will hit SL. You see, whatever. You guys remember we had the BTC trade on Saturday, right? That BTC trade. Let me show you guys. For those who weren't on the live, let me show you. Don't leave the live. Let me just show you that BTC trade we took on Saturday. Let me show you the reason why when you come on live or when you have anything doing, okay, in trading, don't listen to anyone. Let's just look at this together. BTC. You guys won't believe it. We caught this trade on BTC, right? On Saturday. You guys were on the live. You saw it. We caught it rise from here. Market was here. It was somewhere consolidating around here. It hadn't tapped here yet. And we took a trade from there. And we had people on the live. This is not like the first time. People on the live. It will hit SL. It's bullish. It's bullish on weekly. Your trade is not. It's invalid. It will do this. It will do this. It will do this. Just look at the drop. Look at it. Just look at the drop. So when you come on live and someone is saying something will hit SL, or is bullish, or is bearish, or is this, just forget and focus on what you have in front of you. If it's with your own setup, focus on your setup. I wonder the person was shouting. I wish I could find the person out and just bring him back to come and confess. Okay? It's always better if you keep your opinions to yourself. Unless someone asks you, what do you think? Then you come out and you say what you think. But never discourage people. Never. Because you might also be wrong. You might be not just wrong, you might be greatly wrong. Like what the person said he was going to buy. We were still in the trade here. Let me zoom in so that you guys see the entry. We took our trade here on BTC on Saturday around 4 p.m. GMT. We took our trade from here. It played around, then suddenly there was this massive drop with this candle to the downside. Tapped the zone again, dropped, and yesterday even I was the one that made a mistake. I had another zone here that I should have sent. This wick tapped into it, and then look at the drop. Now imagine I was someone that's always felt discouraged if people were telling me, oh, your zone will not play out, then I'll start panicking. It's because I've conditioned my mind to know that you can also be wrong. You can be wrong, or you will even be wrong. So let me listen to what I'm seeing. Let me listen to my heart. Okay? Listen to yourself always. Listen to what your heart is telling you. Else you follow people and you always regret. You always lose your confidence. You always lose something special about you. You guys like my confidence not because we have good trades. It's because no matter how good the zone is or how bad the zone is, whether it's playing out or not playing out, I'm still here. I still believe in what I'm doing, whether good or bad. And that is not pride. That is me believing what I'm doing, because this market, you don't even know where it's heading to. It's different if you have gone into the future and you're telling me, oh, maybe in about 2 days, BTC will tap here. I've gone to the future. You haven't been there. I haven't been there. How are we sure that it's going to tap there or it's not going to tap there? So when you come on people's live, okay, don't come and discourage anyone. Just keep your opinions to yourself. And mostly it's beginners who do that. Like people have been trading for 4 or 5 months. They come in. Some small thing their mentor has taught them. They come in, they're like, my mentor is selling. It will sell. It will sell. It has to sell. And you don't blame them because they believe their mentor so much. I have told my mentees not to do that. Not because I'm a god or something. Nah. I've told them because I want them to believe in themselves. I've taught them that this is not a market where anyone knows where it's heading to. So if I have a zone and you don't have the same zone, don't get enticed by my zone. Okay? Don't get enticed. Don't get enticed. Follow what you see on your screen. My mentees will never be enticed into a zone I have drawn. Never. They know it. Because I'll keep on telling you, follow what you see. If that is what you see, stick to it. I'm the one who has gone into the future. I hope you have a private jet. I hope you have a private jet then. Then I'll believe you. So far as you don't have 5 private jets to your name, then let's all trade the markets like we don't know anything, okay? If I had gone into the future, guys, I would have probably bought Ghana and I would have bought America in addition. I would have bought every country in the world. But we don't know. Yeah, private jets, guys. I need a private jet. So when I wake up, I can just tour the world with my kids and my husband and my mom and my sister. We'll just be in the jets and just be going. Just be with my family in the private jets. Future 100 lots car, 1,000 lots, 10,000 lots. If I knew the future, trust me, I would go and sell my family lands and everything and fund my account and load 20,000 lots on a trade. But we don't know. That is why we are practicing proper risk management. We don't know. That is why we are all practicing proper risk management, because nobody knows. The moment someone tells you practice proper risk management, they are telling you, I don't know where market is heading to. I'm only using technicals. so you to be safe. That is what they are trying to tell you. Now, I don't know where market is heading to. I'm only using my trading view tools, so you to be careful. That is what they are telling you. Okay? Once you see someone type, guys, protect your account. We all do that. We are trying to tell you something. We can't tell what market is going to do, so be responsible for whatever you are doing. Silver is already running 470 points. What about BTC? BTC is just doing its own thing. It's still hanging above entry. And gold is nowhere near our zone. Guys, if you use Xness, you can join my VIP for free, okay? Just send me a WhatsApp. Just send a WhatsApp and just say you want to join the VIP. Guys, you don't even have to greet me. Nothing like hi. Don't send hi. I've seen 2 highs right now. Please don't send me hi. Just go straight to the point, okay? People have sent me hi just now. Just go straight to the point, guys. Just go straight to the point. Xness VIP, free VIP, mentorship, paid VIP, whatever you want. Just go ahead and type it, okay? And if you are new here, guys, go join the Telegram channel. Find the link in bio and join the Telegram channel. I'm feeling low, I'm feeling low, I'm feeling low tonight. What is your minimum risk reward ratio? Minimum 1:3. Minimum 1:2, 1:2. Okay, let me say 1:2, 1:2. That's my minimum. But then I've had crazier trades than 1:2. Mostly I have more than 1:2. Let me say 80% of the time I have more than 1:2. What did you do to overcome bad habits? When you are losing money, okay? When you are not making money, your mind will start working to overcome those habits. I simply had to just sit down and just think about what I wanted to achieve in trading. Okay? If I'm going to be more like a person that people will look up to, like how some of you come on the live because you know I'm going to be very patient and wait for my zone. If I'm going to be that kind of person, I need to work on myself. I had to sit down and then think about a lot of things, about where I wanted to head to, what I wanted to achieve in trading, the monies I wanted to make, the plans I had. And I noticed that with these habits I'm doing, or these habits that I've grown over time, it's not going to help me be profitable or achieve whatever I want to, or be that mirror people look up to. I had to work on them. So it was just about my goals and my aim, what I wanted to do in life with trading. That is what helped me work on my habits. And you can only identify those habits for yourself. Like, I won't know whether your bad habit is not setting stop loss, or your bad habit is not analyzing but then taking a trade, or your bad habit is just using the unnecessary loss sizes. I would never know. Or your bad habit is just joining a lot of signal groups or lots of communities. Those things are also bad habits if you don't know. There are people, unless they don't see an ad pop up for a community, they will click and join. Because the person in the community has shown them $30,000 profit, floating profit, or $500,000 floating profit. So you believe it and then you join without even knowing if the person can actually trade. I was a victim because I paid mentorship to someone because the person showed me a $15,000 profit in their community, and I got attracted. I paid, and then we had only one mentorship class. That was it. I never met the guy to date. Never met the class again. Not even videos to even go and watch. We never met again. So if you have that bad habit of joining communities also, okay, you know those for yourself. You are the one that can work on them for yourself. I wouldn't know. But sit down and then think through, what do I do in my trading that is not good? That is not helping me. What do I want to achieve? Write the things that you want to achieve, and then the things that you think is hindering you or being an obstacle for you to achieve those things. List them down. Write it with a pen. Okay, don't type it. I believe in traditional writing. Write it down with a pen. List the things down that you want to do. List the things down that you also want to, you think are not helping you. Try and then match them and then see which ones are not helping you. You would notice that this and this and this won't help me achieve this and this and this, and you would have to take them out, or you have to work on them. Okay, you'd have to work on them with time. You'd have to. Advanced class. So my advanced class is also inside the mentorship. Okay, it's a full package. It's a full package. It's really a full package. What is the exact coordinates? My risk percentage. I don't risk percentage in my trade. I tell you guys always, I don't have a percentage. Okay, I risk how much I want to lose in terms of money, not percentage. If someone tells you risk 1% on a trade and you have what's it called, $10, risking $10, 1% is how much, guys? That is 1 cent, right? If I'm not wrong. If someone tells you to risk 1% on a trade and you have $10, how much is 1% of $10? That is 1 cent. Or am I right? Am I right, guys? Am I right? 1% is 1 cent, or 10 cents. It's not $1. It's not $1. That will be 10% of $10. It's not $1, guys. It's not $1. It's $10, and you're risking 1% of $10. That is not 1% of $10. That is not $1. $1 will be 10%. It's 10 cents. Hey, you see, you guys are all confused. Like, you're as confused as I am. Whether it's 1 cent or it's 1 cent, is 1 cent. Can you risk 1 cent on a trade? Be honest with yourself. Can you risk 1 cent? If you have $10, can you risk 1 cent? Be honest. If you have $100 and you are asked to risk 10% of a trade, 10% of $100 is $1. Can you risk $1 on a trade? You know you won't. You can't even do that on gold to risk $1. You won't even close it. So I always anticipate how much I want to lose on a trade. Okay, so if I have maybe $100 account, I'm like, okay, this trade I want to risk maybe $80 on this trade. I want to risk $5 on this trade. Then I have to make sure I'm factoring in my stop loss and then my lot size to meet that amount. 1 cent won't even cover spread. You see, don't. There are so many things in this market that people have made it like, it's more like a diplomatic way. Oh, risk 1%, risk 2%. You can risk 1% when you have $1 million. Yes, risking 1% will make sense. But if you have $100 and you want to risk 1%, come on. If you have a big account and you want to risk 1%, that makes absolute sense. 1% of 1 million is how much? Let me just do the calculation on my phone and check. 1% of 1 million. That is $10,000. That makes sense because you have a big account. 1%. You shouldn't stress with $1 million. That is $10,000. 10K. That is you risking 1%, not your $100 you want to risk 1%. You will not survive for long, guys. Every trade you might hit stop loss on every trade. So always apportion how much you want to lose. Okay. It's a sell for some SMC traders. This is CHOCH, but no, it's liquidity. Guys, I don't even understand what you are typing. Okay. If you have a sell here, if you have sell confirmations here, come on, you know me, I'll tell you to go for it. Okay, go for it. What's the name of my strategy? It's my strategy. It's my strategy. It's my strategy. It is my strategy. On GJ, I mentioned the price level on GJ that I was expecting. I don't know if you guys watched the community. I mentioned it there on GBP JPY. Price reacted just around that same level. 0.01 now for food. Everyone and what they want to do, guys. Someone that is their life, their rent money. 0.01, yes. Yeah, it's frustrating when you use 0.01. It's very frustrating. I always thought those my VIP that once you use a 0.01, you have a one-way ticket on the trade. When I say a one-way ticket, it means that you don't have an in or an out. Once you enter the trade, you only have a one-way ticket out. You can't be in the trade and be taking partials. And it's not bad to use 0.01. Okay, we've all started from 0.01. But then always aim to scale up your trading. Okay? Don't be trading 0.01 for the rest of your life or for the rest of the year. Aim to scale up. Sometimes just take a risk, not an unreasonable risk, guys. Sometimes you have a zone, you can see this zone has very good confluences. Get that bravery and go for the zone. Okay? You know that this zone has all the things you look out for. It has all your entry confluences, your entry criteria. What else are you waiting for? Then you take the trade and you be like, I made just $5 on a trade. $5 on a trade. Someone is making big monies on a trade. But we are all using the same pips. But then someone is earning than the other. So it's good to use 0.01. Okay, if you are doing that, stick to it. Don't change it. It's where you are now. Okay, I've been there before. I've used 0.01 before, where my life literally depended on a 0.01 trade. But aim to scale up. Okay, when I say aim to scale up, it's also about you aiming to build your skills. Because once you're able to build your skills, you get opportunity to access more funds. Once someone can tell that this person is very good, I think they are very good. They understand the market. They can trade well. They can do this. They can do this. You get someone who would say, okay, you know what? I have this maybe $10,000 lying there. Let me just try you with it and see. That is it. But if you're not ready, if you don't have that skill to grow that money, you mess up. Okay? So start with 0.01 like what you are doing now, but then don't sleep there forever. Don't sleep there. Else that lifestyle you see, you'd always say, hey, is this Forex thing a scam? Because people are doing lifestyle that you might not even be seeing. You might not envision that it could come to pass. Don't stay there forever, okay? You to try one lot. You to try it. Try one lot one day. Okay, you to try some. Try some and let your adrenaline go high, okay? Let it go high. Like, feel the adrenaline like, ish, one lot. But use it on a good setup, not just any candle. Use it on a good setup. Sometimes feel the adrenaline. Sometimes just load some lot and be like, hey, is this me? Is this me? $41 USD. What lot size can you use? 0.01.